Hello everyone, it is Sweet Cookie here again, and also this is my last time talking about hulkbr. If you don't know him again, he's known for his extremely nudity, sexual, and inappropriate thumbnails, and today this would feature my friend and we'll be talking about why hulkbr is bad. So, hulkbr, his videos are just too horrible. Like, they're just bad because you know that his thumbnails are just inappropriate. So this is like one last time again that we're gonna take a look at his channel and we're gonna see how his videos are just inappropriate. And at the end, and like at the part where I talk about it, I'm gonna blur it out. So I don't know why they put that there, but yeah. So this is like hulkbr again, and that's him right here. And go to his videos, and thankfully I won't have to blur that out. And this video, like this is inappropriate. It has like 96,000 views, and I even have no idea why people clicked on this. Basically, I have no idea why people clicked on it. But like, hulkbr is just the worst YouTuber in the world, and he's still in the star program. Like, Roblox just doesn't care. Like, they want hulkbr to be in the program because they think he is cool, but he's not even cool because he's keep uploading like nudity thumbnails for no freaking reason, and I just hate when he does that because you know that it ruins it. And one more time we're gonna look at the video, but he like in his thumbnails and stuff, he like smiles, like he thinks that, like he like smiles basically, like he thinks that's funny, but it's not. And he looks ugly in this one. And if we go to the boy, if I could edit this video, I'll be like, nobody cares about you, hulkbr. And also I dropped a dislike right here, and this video basically has 6,315 dislikes. And like basically he might have hate comments in here, but I don't really know about Brazil, and I think this part is just inappropriate, that we're not going to watch the whole video because it's just too inappropriate to show you about it. Because like, hulkbr keeps on doing this for no reason, and hulkbr will just, what? Okay. And also hulkbr too should just like delete the channel that he has, and then when he deletes it, I bet everyone who dislikes him will be happy. Alright guys, I'm gonna end my video here, and this was a short video to talk about hulkbr, and then I'll see you in the next video, and I'll say something real quick. I'm ending my video, and then he'll respond, and he might be AFK. And then also one more thing too, if hulkbr was even in this game, and I'll be like, hello everyone, and I'll be like, nobody asked, butthead. And that's what I would say, because like almost everyone hates hulkbr. Alright guys, I'll end my video here, and you cannot see my character's face, and I need to put these clothes right there. And I love you guys, and I hope you'll see me in my next video, and bye bye.